first startup is going to be LoadMe, and Sebastian likes to call himself the Uber for trucks in the Middle East. So Sebastian, can you please come?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sebastian. My startup is LoadMe, and we're matching trucks and loads across the Middle East through our online platform. Let me show you why we need the Uber for trucks.
Millions of trucks are en route in the Middle East every day, but half these trucks are running on idle or empty.
Too much time waiting, sometimes too much working, too much less.
Huge number of companies are registered with the local Chamber of Commerce. In addition to 4,000 or 5,000 trucks are waiting for the return load.
On the other hand, people who need to send goods are struggling on the phone to find transport.
We're into making architectural scale models, a very fragile item. We use local transporters who load, our models and take them to Saudi. So basically, we use a transporter, it doesn't work out, we look for another transporter. He's either available or not, so we cannot usually verify the quality or rate the quality for other users.
In my 38 years of career in Dubai, that I always struggle to find the right service providers, right suppliers, because without having a history of these companies, that you always struggle.
Timing is important in logistics, but with the communication hassle that exists in the market, you have chaos on every shipment.
I was leading the sales for a major transporter from UAE, and I faced all these problems. And the one which strikes me the most was that 3 out of 4 orders were refused because the load could not match the available fleet. This was leading to many frustrated clients. And in order not to lose those clients, I started to match them over the phone with other transporters. A total nightmare. Then I started my research, and I found that everywhere else in the world, they have a solution for this. The load board. Americans have it, Europeans have it, Australians have it, even New Zealand has it. But here, in the Middle East, we don't have it. So we made it. LoadMe.ai is the first online marketplace for freight exchange in the Middle East. It's a dynamic environment where transporters are matching with load owners in real time. Let's see how it works.
Imagine we have Abdullah, working in sales for a transporter, and he is trying to find clients for his daily list of available trucks. All he needs to do now is register with LoadMe as a transporter and post his truck size, location, and desired destinations on the platform. At the same time, Kareem, working in the logistics department of a company, is looking to find transportation for his goods from Dubai to Riyadh. Instead of calling all his contacts, he can just log on to LoadMe and use the powerful search tool to select the one who has available fleet for Riyadh, just like Abdullah. And then he can contact him and book the transport in minutes. The next day, Kareem has another shipment ready for Riyadh, but this time, Abdullah's trucks are all occupied. Kareem now has to post his load details like size, location, and destination, and matching transporters will be notified and will quote him in minutes to get him the job. Kareem will have a full view of the bidder's reputation, and he can choose the best match for his load. Because, after each successful deal, users have to rate their experience, this provides everyone a measuring tool for the quality of the service or payment reputation. No more empty trucks. Save money when shipping, make money when transporting, and expand your business when networking. www.loadme.ae, matching loads and trucks across the Middle East.
Using our load match matching system. Freight owners get the best deals with no effort and save money when shipping. Transporters, on the other hand, being connected to a large pool of load owners, they increase their chance to find loads for their return trip. This way, they make more money when transporting. And brokers, of course, they expand their business and they maximize their profit. In the logistics industry, we have witnessed a double-digit growth over the last few years. And according to Frost & Sullivan, in 2015, our first year of activity, the logistic market in GCC and Jordan is valued at $38 billion, out of which just the land transportation itself accounts for $12 billion. This is the market that LoadMe is targeting directly. Our business model is subscription-based. We have three types of users: transporters, load owners, and brokers, each having the chance to choose one of the 4 packages tailored especially for them. On average, the monthly subscription is around $100, and it's billed once every 6 months. But how did I get these rates? Well, since there is no direct competition in our market, I have to benchmark our rates based on the fees used by similar platforms from Europe, which are charging $100 per month as well. And in comparison with other B2B sales networks from the region, which are charging $300 per month, our rates are affordable. Competition. On one hand, there are the individual matchmakers who don't even have a company or an office, just a notebook, and they're trying to match transporters or trucks with available loads over the phone. On the other hand, in each country there are 2 or 3 companies that are consolidating small transporters into a larger fleet. But we will not fight with these competitors, because LoadMe offers a unique concept. It's a tool that brings benefits to all transport professionals. That's why we're gonna have them on board with special deals tailored for them. Where are we now? We're approaching very fast to our first milestone, 1,000 companies registered. This is the team. I am the one who knows everything about road transportation. I work in the UAE trucking industry, and I'm connected with the main players from logistics. The other Sebastian from the team is an experienced software developer with great leadership skills. Claudia has an impressive background in marketing. We are building a huge thing here, and LoadMe is fitting perfectly in the new trend of successful companies that are focused on the on-demand business for transportation, like Uber, Aramex, or Uship. And all of you who see the opportunity that my partners and I have seen, just come over and have a chat with us. Thank you very much.